Hi, welcome to my projectbuzzer.com. Our process is healthcare management system. Let's say start with abstract. Healthcare management system is designed to represent data that accurately captures the state of the patient at all times. It allows for an entire patient history to be viewed without the need to track down the patient's previous medical record, and assists in ensuring data is accurate, appropriate, and legible. To establishing this concept in an effective way, this project is developed in Visual Studio environment using website application. For efficient patient data retrieval, SQL Server is used as a backend technology. This project utilizes cryptographic technique for preventing the patient identification from the third party who viewing the patient records. This is the flow diagram of a process. Initially, the member will register their detail and log into their account. The logged user can edit their profile, consult doctor, ask prescription, book appointment, and view the report. They can also have a choice of providing the feedback about the doctor consultation. These data will be stored into the healthcare database system later. Then the admin will log in their detail and view the patient detail and view the requested appointment detail by the patient. And finally, the admin will appoint the schedule process and send this appointment schedule to the doctors. The doctor login process, the doctor will log into their account and view the appointment details, provide the treatment for the requested patient, and provide prescription. Let's see the demo of our project. Click on the member button here. Provide member ID and password. If a new user, click on new user button. Provide the information and member name, date of birth, email ID, password, and re-enter password. And address line 1 to fill all the required fields, and click on submit button to register the detail into the database. After filling all this information, it will be stored into the database for future login process. Click register button. This information is registered successfully. Click OK. It is showing the member ID value. By using this member ID only, we will log in future. Then provide the member ID we fetched and password. Click OK. Then here click on edit profile button. Here we can change any of the field value by providing the member ID value, and click on get older details. It will fix the older registered detail. Here I am going to change the phone number. Provide a new phone number and click on update button. This update button will do the background process of updating the newly given phone number. It is showing a message detail is get updated. Then go back and click on consult doctor button. Here provide the information, required information here. Choose the member ID, status, disease, symptoms, etc. and click on submit button. It will be submitted. Then click on ask for prescription. Here provide the disease name and the symptoms. This will get the tablet name for the corresponding symptom which we give. Click on get result. It will get the tablet taken. Then click back button. Click next button here for booking appointment and view report and feedback. Click on book appointment. Here provide the member name and the member ID. Choose the specialization doctor and choose date for booking an appointment. Then click on get available doctors. It will get the available doctor for corresponding specialization, and choose anyone and click on book. The appointment is booked successfully. Then click on feedback button. Here we can provide the feedback about this process. Here provide email ID and name, then phone number. choose visitor type, then choose any one of the radio button which we feel about this web page. Then these feedbacks will be submitted to the database. Then click back. Here the admin will log in first, then view the appointment schedule. Here these are the patient information about the appointed details. This member ID, member name, email and city, state, phone number. Then click on next button. By providing the member ID and if the doctor is available on the corresponding date, the administrator will provide the availability or not available information and send this information to the corresponding member. Click available, then schedule appointment. Click this schedule information will be updated. Then go back and click on member detail. Then here the member will log in, then will view the report, appointment report, and will go for taking the medicine. Then here how to provide the member ID value and click on check button. It will show the appointment status. And click next. Here click on doctor button. This is for the doctor login module. Here have to provide the login ID and the password value. Click login button. Here the doctor ID will be provided and click on search button. It will fetch the corresponding appointed patient name, ID and the appointment date. Then provide the member encrypted ID value. Click on patient original ID. It will show the patient original ID and view the detail. The corresponding patient disease information will be fetched here. Click next button. Here the doctor will provide the prescription about the disease and submit this value to the patient back. The disease status is medium here and the result is given and the prescribed medicine is given. Now the member will view the tablet prescription here by clicking on view report, and by providing the member ID value they can view the medicine suggested by the doctor. By this the exhibition is over. Thanks.